ये डिवाइसेस को ऑन ऑफ करने के लिए। और ये ऐप है जिसको एंड्रॉयड ऐप है जिसको हम गूगल प्ले से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। ये भी अभी इनिशियल स्टेज में डेवलप हो चुका है, बट अभी इसका इंटरफेस हार्डवेयर के थ्रू अभी रह गया है। हार्डवेयर के से इसको इंटरफेस कराने का काम अभी बाकी है। ये कैसे काम करता है ये देखते हैं।
Now I am showing you Android based application which we have developed as a initial level. Okay, and it is the home page where we are showing the three option. One is manual, second is auto, and third is setup mode. And the starting we have to go to the setup mode, and where you can see there is that there is options for the set points like temperature set points, humidity set points, timer 1 set points, timer 2 set points, moisture set points, and timer. Now I am showing you Android based application which we have developed as a initial level. Okay, and it is the home page where we are showing the three option. One is manual, second is auto, and third is setup mode. And the starting we have to go to the setup mode, and where you can see there is that there is options for the set points like temperature set points, humidity set points, timer 1 set points, timer 2 set points, moisture set points, and timer 3 set points. Okay, and the second page we have to go into the manual. There will be the manual options. Whenever we have to check the devices, we can manual on and off the devices. Like pump 1 we can on, and pump 1 we can off. Humidifier we can on, and humidifier we can off. Lighting we can on, and lighting we can off. Dehumidifier we can on, and dehumidifier we can off. So by this we can check our operation that every device is working fine. Now when we will go into the auto mode after the setting points, then the machine will work in the irrigation system will work in auto mode, and it will show the parameters like temperature, humidity, timer values, moisture values, and status of the pump actuator devices like pump, humidifier, lighting, and dehumidifier. And after then we can go home. So this is the basic application. At the initial stage we are developing it.
This is the screens for it is a very small application in which we have only the 4 screens in the initial stage. Later on it can be developed more screens, more sensors, more control. Yeah, we can develop that. Okay, and this is the first screen which we have given you demo for the manual, automotive, and setup mode. And this is the third screen and fourth screen which is manual mode and auto mode. It is the another software on which we have developed the same application, and it is basically a application how it works. Crop from the crop sensors collect the data, and it goes to the software. Then software give to the data to the hardware devices to control on and off, and then it devices control take the decision that what should be work, it should on or it should off, and actuator gives the actuator work like pump get on, or the submersible get off and it affect the crop, and the same cycle will be run in the next cycle. For the future, we have idea that for the center we make the centralized control system by which we can, for the multiple locations and the multiple cities, we can develop the software by which we can monitor and control the crops in the smart way. By this, we will provide the customized software and hardware development. Required software can be development as per customer requirement. मल्टी यूज़र कैपेबिलिटीज़, बहुत सारे लोग जो है कई जगह से ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं, एक ही सिस्टम को देख सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं, जो भी स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं वो उस पर बात कर सकते हैं. रिमोट एंड लोकल ऑपरेशन कैपेबिलिटीज़, कहीं दूर से भी बैठ कर आप अपने प्रेमिसेस को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ डिवाइसेस कैन बी ऐड और रिमूव, आप जितने चाहें सेंसर्स ऐड कर सकते हैं, जितने चाहें कंट्रोल्स ऐड कर सकते हैं, जितने चाहें पंप, जितना बड़ा भी सेटअप आपका हो सारा इसमें ऐड और रिमूव हो सकता है. और डेटा एनालिसिस किया जा सकता है, और ये भी एक उसी दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर का एप्लीकेशन है जो डेवलप किया गया है. इस तरह से हम एग्रीकल्चर IoT मार्केट में हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर सर्विसेज ये सारी ऑफर कर रहे हैं. बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशन, प्रिसीजन फार्मिंग, फॉरेस्ट्री, लाइव स्टोर मॉनिटरिंग, स्मार्ट ग्रीन हाउस, अदर्स हॉर्टिकल्चर ऑर्किड्स में इसका यूज़ हो सकता है. इसके थ्रू हम वाटर सेविंग कर सकते हैं, और आपका वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की सेविंग हो सकती है, गैस एमिशन कम हो जाएगा. So this is the basic idea on which we are working demo. Thank you for watching. Keep watch. Please subscribe our channel and motivate us. If you have any query, if you want to know more about this application, if you want to support on this application development, if you want to get some similar type application for your requirement or some project work, you can contact us on the given link, on the email ID, on the give the comment on our channel. Thank you very much.